Okay, so this is a horrible way to open up a video, but we're going to do it anyway. I'm pointing at dolphins there. Um, this was at the Santa Monica Pier from my recent trip to California, and this was my first time looking out over the water and seeing dolphins, and something was wrong with my microphone, so it didn't work. So, my trip to California, I did not plan to really make any videos, and I did everything in this vertical format, and I was going to make a handful of shorts. But this day at the beach, I started doing too much, and I decided instead of giving 10 more shorts, I'm going to compile it all. So, here you go. Venice Beach. The Pride lifeguard. And look closely, there's dolphins right there. I almost just fell. Oh, this is beautiful. There's a pod of dolphins right over there. And I just walked past. I was just right over there. I walk by and I turn around and look, and there's a bunch of dolphins jumping. This is so beautiful. Happy to be here. Wow, there's little crabs in there. So I was very excited to see Muscle Beach at Venice Beach, and there was nobody there. To be fair, it was Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, but I did not really expect it to be this dead. And kind of cold, I guess, for Southern California standards. Of course. Yeah, I had to leave one of my band stickers there. Looked like a good enough spot, I guess. Couldn't do just one. Had to stick another one right by the basketball court. So, Venice Beach, California. I was just right over there. Fulfilled a bit of a lifetime dream I did some pull-ups at the world famous Muscle Beach. The sun's kind of going down. I was hoping for a more clear sky, but don't have it. It's still going to be cool. Wow. So, look at this. And I got to walk back to Santa Monica, way down there, and I'm going to do it right along the beach line here. I walked most of the way over on the concrete path, and that was really fucking stupid of me. So, I'm going to walk along the beach. Thanks for watching. Look at how white my feet are. Oh, it's kind of cold. Oh. Kind of cold nothing. It's really cold. I have not done this in such a long time. I have not walked with my feet in the ocean in years. I guess it's been 8 years. Crazy. And never this one. It's always only been the Atlantic. One of the things I really wanted to see here was the sunset. And look, turn around. Look at, yeah, that's better. This is my first time seeing the sunset on the West Coast. Ta-da! Okay, so the sun broke through the clouds. That's me. Wow, that's just... pretty impressive.